India has witnessed rapid changes at the macro level since the early 90s, which have contributed to the instability of the livelihood systems of the poorer sections of both rural and urban households. The major challenge for policymakers in India today is to create decent work opportunities for a large number of people.
India is now over 1250 million people, and about 500 million of them are workers. Every year the workforce increases by about 2%, so that's a 10 million net increment. Of the 500 million who are already working, fully 93% are working in the agriculture or the informal sector. About 2/3 are in agriculture and 1/3 are in the informal sector. And in those sectors, though they have a livelihood, but it's not a fully productive, fully remunerative livelihood. Many of them are earning well below a living wage, and therefore you have this phenomenon of the working poor in India, that you're not unemployed, you're working, but you still don't make enough to make both ends meet. So the livelihood challenge in India is a twin challenge. One is just creating 10 million new livelihoods every year, and the other is upgrading the livelihoods of about 350 million who are so-called already employed.
There are several government programs that contribute to livelihood promotion. However, two factors have acted as bottlenecks. They are inadequate availability of knowledge base on how to support large number of livelihoods and inadequate availability of trained human resources. In order to bridge this gap, the Basics Social Enterprise Group, a conglomerate of 12 institutions with a mission to support a large number of sustainable livelihoods, set up the Livelihood School on 18th of April 2004. The mandate of the school is to build up a scientific knowledge base on livelihoods and disseminate the same to livelihood practitioners for enhancing their understanding and implementation capabilities, who in turn will promote large number of livelihoods. Our mission is that TLS shall strive to create an enabling environment for promoting dignified livelihoods for all and become a leading livelihood practice institution in the field of livelihood promotion.
Livelihood School is really trying to promote livelihoods and use new technologies, new learnings, best practices in order to upgrade livelihoods and to address the needs of the most vulnerable sections and the challenges of development.
The school carries out activities in the areas of action research and policy advocacy, knowledge generation and dissemination, and capacity building of livelihood promotion practitioners and institutions. The Livelihood School has conducted several hundred livelihood educational programs, reaching out to thousands of practitioners, including representatives of Panchayati Raj institutions.
और लाइवलीहुड स्कूल के साथ हम लोग लगभग 1 साल से जुड़े हुए हैं और कई तरह के प्रशिक्षण हम लोगों ने लिया लाइवलीहुड स्कूल से। ख़ास तौर से हमारे ग्राम संगठन और समूह से जुड़े हुए कई केसेस हैं जो काफ़ी मोटिवेशनल हैं, और एक जगह जो घटनाएं घटी हैं उन घटनाओं को, उस केस स्टडी को दूसरे ग्राम संगठन तक पहुंचाने में लाइवलीहुड स्कूल ने हमें बहुत मदद दिया है।
As NABARD, we have involved livelihood school in different locations, situations. We have sent our officers, staff for trainings. We have conducted programs for our partners in various states for in the field of livelihood.
द लाइवलीहुड स्कूल ने जो इधर में ट्रेनिंग किए हैं फार्मर्स को लेकर, ख़ास तरीके वो जो लोकल रिसोर्स पर्सन है LRP, और हमारा जो फील्ड मोबिलाइजर्स है और कोऑर्डिनेटर है, क्लस्टर कोऑर्डिनेटर है, हम भी थे उस ट्रेनिंग में। हम सब मिलकर वहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं। 2 ट्रेनिंग अब तक हुए हैं। पहला जो ट्रेनिंग था वो ट्रेनिंग था गांव में जो समूह बनाए थे हम लोग, वो समूहों को किससे हमने काम करेंगे, उसका स्ट्रेंथन कैसे करेंगे, उसका मैनेजमेंट कैसे करेंगे, उसका ऊपर हमारा 2-3 दिन से चर्चा हुआ। और वो चर्चे के बाद हमारा जो LRPs है, जो लोकल रिसोर्स पर्सन है, जो गांव में काम करते हैं, उसको बहुत फ़ायदा मिला है इसमें।
Apart from training programs, the school has produced several publications, case studies, and also carried out several research studies, including a nationwide study on savings behavior of poor. The school has also developed curricula on livelihood promotion in various thematic areas. It has also designed and delivered a course on livelihoods for Azim Premji University for students pursuing MA in Development Action. The school has facilitated development of livelihood intervention plans for a variety of agencies through a prolonged hand-holding accompaniment process. In 2009, the school crossed Indian borders and went to Africa to carry out a study for exploring the scope for establishing livelihood school or equivalent. The countries where the scoping study was undertaken are Kenya, Uganda, Mozambique, and South Africa. Based on the recommendations of the school, it is quite likely that such schools will be established in each country, which can possibly federate into one Pan-African federated livelihood school. The work which the school has done over the years has won accolades from different constituencies who have highly appreciated the work of the school.
समस्या को पहचान करना, उस पर फोकस करना, फिर उस समस्या से जुड़ा हुआ हस्तक्षेप क्या हुआ है उसे पहचानना, और केस टीचिंग में हर विषयों को, इन सारे पॉइंट्स को डील करना, कहाँ पर हमें फोकस करना है, कहाँ पर डिस्कशन जनरेट करना है, कहाँ चर्चाएं चलवानी हैं, तो ये सब बहुत ही बेहतरीन ट्रेनिंग हमें मिला है।
I find livelihood school as a very innovative approach for building capacity of all the stakeholders in the chain of rural livelihoods. So the resource book which you have come up with through the efforts of Mr. Vijay Mahajan and his team, it is a great resource book and very helpful in understanding the conceptual and practical framework in different situations. It gives a beautiful examples across the country for how the things have been done actually in different situations and how it could be done in new situations. And I must thank Livelihood School for all the good work they are doing, and my best wishes are for their bright future.
सारे ट्रेनिंग जो लाइवलीहुड स्कूल से हम पाए हैं वो बहुत अच्छा काम दिया है मुझको।
I think we are happy to be supporting TLS right from the beginning, because we feel knowledge building is an important role, and TLS is also doing that as in different variety. The challenge is huge, but I think TLS also has sort of inspired that kind of a confidence and motivation in among other academic institutions such as IRMAS and XIMB and XLRI. It also is trying to sort of go outside the country. So I think it's an important task, and we are sort of happy to associate with that effort right from the beginning.
While there are no two opinions that the task of livelihood promotion in India is a very challenging one, our experience at the Livelihood School suggests that it could be met effectively provided we have the right competence and commitment.
The Livelihood School can play a very important role in building the knowledge and building the base of research, which will help in policymakers such as myself work towards a more harmonious way in which the demand for skilled people can improve.
The challenge is enormous, and we are very small. Now, it would be a folly to say, therefore, we should grow 1,000 times or 1,000,000 times our size to meet the challenge. That's not the right way to handle it. But we should be like that little crystal, which leads to the formation of other crystals, and then the whole liquid then condenses in a crystalline form.
The Livelihood School will keep on working to create an enabling environment for promoting dignified livelihoods for all and become a leading livelihood praxis institution in the field of livelihood promotion.